Here we have the Vevor 8 kilowatt diesel heater to keep us warm this winter. I will do now a quick unboxing. This diesel heater packs 8 kilowatts of heating power, making it ideal to heat up RVs, workshops, garages, those kind of things. It's fuel efficient too, using minimal diesel to keep you warm for hours. It's not noisy and not smelly either. It comes with a digital control panel and a remote, so setting up the temperature is easy, even from a distance. The compact design makes it very easy to install or to move around when needed. Out of the box it took me about 10 minutes to install. It was very easy. I installed it through a vent of my wall in the living room. So far the results are very good. Let's see how it goes in the real winter, but I'm really happy with it so far.